Literally, it's now the next day, about 24 hours since I waved my hair. I slept in this, I had it up in a bun, and it's still pretty wavy. I mean, it's not wavy as yesterday, but it kind of looks like I have a bit of a natural wave going on, and I love it. I'm impressed. I'm shocked. I'm in awe. Amazing. What? I need to stop. But really, I am shocked. Like, how did it stay like that? I think now I'll be rocking this do pretty much every day of the week. You know what? Yeah, every day of the week.